Unlock faster recovery with foam rolling.
Foam rolling is a simple and effective self-massage technique. Using a foam roller can help relieve muscle tension, improve blood flow, and speed up recovery after workouts. These exercises are essential for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to boost flexibility or prevent injury. Let's discover some of the best foam roller moves for optimal recovery.
Quadriceps roll for thigh relief.
Place the foam roller under your thighs and roll from your hips to just above your knees. This exercise targets the quadriceps, which often get tight after running, squats, or cycling. Spend about 1 minute rolling each leg, pausing on sore spots to increase release and blood flow. Consistent practice can help reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility in your thighs.
Back massage for upper and lower tension.
Lie on your back with the roller placed beneath your upper or lower back. Slowly roll up and down, supporting your neck with your hands if needed. Focus on areas of tightness, but avoid rolling directly over the spine. This routine helps ease tension in the back muscles, improving mobility and relieving post-exercise tightness or stiffness.
Calf rolling to soothe tired legs.
Sit with your legs extended and position the roller beneath your calves. Lift your hips off the ground and roll from the ankles to just below the knees. This exercise loosens up tight calf muscles, which is especially helpful for runners and those who spend time on their feet. Targeting the calves can enhance circulation and help prevent lower leg injuries.
Glute release for hip flexibility.
Sit on the foam roller and cross one ankle over the opposite knee, leaning slightly to the side of the crossed leg. Roll gently over the glute muscles to release tension around the hips and lower back. This stretch is excellent for desk workers, runners, or anyone seeking to improve hip mobility and reduce muscle tightness from prolonged sitting.
Foam rolling tips and safety.
Roll slowly, breathe deeply, and avoid joints or bony areas. If you find a tender spot, pause and let the pressure help release the tension. Start with short sessions to let your body adjust, and avoid excessive force to prevent bruising. With regular use, foam rolling can speed up post-workout recovery, support mobility, and aid in injury prevention.